Hello there, welcome back to the Once a Week Kitchen. Continuing on the Christmas theme, just a couple of easy recipes that I've been making for years. Quick and easy, all done in the microwave. And the first one is cranberry sauce. Right, microwave cranberry sauce. 250 grams of cranberries, which I've washed. The grated rind and juice of an orange. All goes in together. And 2 ounces of sugar. Now what I'm going to do, to give those a stir, just to mix things in. Then I'm going to pop these in the microwave for 3 minutes on full power. And hopefully that should be it. We shall see. So what I shall do, I shall place a cover over it just to keep the juices in. Right, these cranberries are about 3 minutes on full power. Now I've noticed that some of the berries have not quite collapsed yet. We want them to collapse. So I'm going to pop these back in the microwave for 1 more minute. Right, the cranberry sauce is all cooked now, and the vast majority of those berries have collapsed. Now it does look very liquid at the moment, but as it cools it will set. Let me show you. Beautiful colour. Cranberry and orange sauce, all done in the microwave. Easy peasy, no problem at all. So once that's cooled, I shall stir in 2 tablespoonfuls of port, but you don't have to do that. And then you can just cover it with cling film and keep it in the fridge until Christmas Day. So I hope you agree that is just so easy peasy, and it will save you time if you do it the day before Christmas. Give you more time on the day. So I will see you later. Bye.